We are in the key of E. We are learning our E major scale. E major scale. E major scale. So stay tuned if you want to learn how to play your piano in the key of E. We're in the E major, and then this is going to be your scale, and then we're using the numbering system. So it's gonna be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Want to make sure that you learn that and get used to the sound as well. I mean, if this is your first time on your piano and you're starting out with the E major key, make sure that you learn that. Learn the scale. Learn the scale is very important. Then from there, learn that same using your right hand. Now using the trichord. So this is gonna be your 1. So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here's your 1 using your 3 fingers on your right hand. 1. This is your 2. This is your 3. This is your 4. This is your 5. This is your 6. This is your 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that with both hands. So 1, 2, this is your 3, and this is your 4, and this is your 5. This is your 6. The last one, this is your 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do the song with these chords that we just learned. The same chord. I'm not going to be playing anything that you didn't see. Whatever that I'm going to demonstrate, it's going to be from the chords that I just showed you within the scale of E major, right? So we're going to start from 4. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above with wings, wisdom, power, and love. Our God is an awesome God. Let's do it again. From 4 to 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5. He reigns, yes, He reigns, He reigns, yes, He reigns, He reigns, yes, He reigns. Our God is an awesome God. Alright, and you can use that for a lot of songs. So make sure that you get your fingers, your hands used to playing this scale. Learn the scale first. Learn the scale in in the key of image, and then from there you can learn, the songs, but before you move on to other stuff. And this is your foundation. This is the foundation for every key. Okay.